Hi, we're from 5J and it's the start of a new month, so it's the perfect time for new beginnings, to form new healthy habits that will benefit you in the short term and in the long term. We're going to share some little tips so you can start feeling better every day during our time at home. Try to get at least 7 hours of sleep every night. It increases your productivity and puts you in a better mood, which everyone needs a little help with these days. I know sometimes we forget, but drinking 2 to 3 litres of water every day keeps us healthy and happy.
Eating the right foods keeps us healthy, which is especially important these days. It can also just work as a motivational tactic, get a maths question right, have a jelly. Also exercise for just 30 minutes a day will really boost your mood and put you in the better mindset to get your work done. It doesn't have to be strenuous, just 30 minutes a day will do. Keeping in touch with family and friends. Now, we don't mean the family you live with, because you don't really have a choice in that matter and you're probably sick of them by now, but more your extended family. I'm sure a lot of you have grandparents and aunties and uncles who have been living by themselves or have been locked up in their house for nearly a year now, and so they're probably getting a bit lonely. So just drop them a quick text and a call, they'll definitely appreciate it. Finally, just be nice to yourself. It's been a hard year and we've all been through so much, so don't stress if you didn't get done what you wanted to get done. And if you just laid in bed today and binge watched Nicholas Sparks movies with a pint of Ben and Jerry's, that's okay, because we all need those days. But as long as you get back on track and get your work done and get back into your hobbies, that's the main bit. We only have just under 11 weeks left in this school year, so make the most of it, and yeah, just try and have a fun time virtually, and we'll also be back in school soon, so that's good as well.
Dear Lord, please help us to be kind to ourselves and others in this hard time, by taking care of our own mental health and reaching out to support our friends and family. Help us to remain hopeful for the future and remind us to see the positives in life. Now we say the Lord's Prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power and glory, forever and ever. Amen.